This is an installation video of our 2-bag dust extractor. In the box you'll find your 2 drums, 1, 2, your connection piece, all the pipes and fittings, your main fan with motor, and right at the bottom there's the base plate, your bags, top and bottom bags, and then there's also a plastic bag somewhere which has all the screws, and there we go, screws and wheels and seals. The fan comes assembled like this in the box. You have to remove it because it needs to sit on the other side of this platform. So after securing all 4 wheels to the bottom of the base plate, turn it around and place the motor and fan on top. There are 4 holes, like so. Make sure that you have it in the right direction. The front of your fan must basically align with your base plate.